Yo, what up traders? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Goat FX. How you guys all doing? Well, today we'll be live trading with my friend here, Ebenezer, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So today we'll be trading Jump 25. Let's head over to my screen and I'll show you the setup we have for Jump 25. So guys, here on the charts, we are trading Jump 25 here on the chart. You all know we start our analysis from the 24 hours time frame, and you can see guys, price is approaching a supply area and it has not fully gotten to the supply area. So on the 30 minutes time frame here, price is creating a bullish pullback to our zone on the 30 minutes time frame. You can see and price just broke structure at this point and there was no sweep of highs, so we want to trade back a bullish trend to take these highs, to sweep liquidities above these highs, because you can see price has not really mitigated the 8-hour supply zone. You can see price is just reacting from this inducement over here. We have an inducement over here. Price is reacting from this inducement, guys. You can see we have an inducement over here. So I still want price to go further into the supply area because we still have an imbalance here where price has not fallen to. So we are taking buys from this zone and we've set our entry already. You can see here we have our entry set. We just want price to come hit us in and we go from there. So that's it, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on how the trade is going. Thank you very much. So welcome back, guys. It's been some hours past and I had to take some rest. Now back to my screen here. You can see, as anticipated, price has reacted from the 30 minute demand zone, and we want price to further its movement up to these highs, sweeping liquidity above, then retrace into a more premium area on the 8 hours supply zone, and it will be expecting a shift of structure, of character. Then we should be continuing the sell at the pullback to the 8-hour supply area. So guys, not bad. You can see we are having a push to the upside. So this is exactly what I want to see. Slow bullish retracement, you understand, into that zone, sweeping liquidities above these highs. So I'll be keeping you guys updated. Still, just stay tuned. I'll be back very soon. Yo, welcome back, guys. I just came back to the chat. Here on my Nigerian time, you can see it's 8:58 p.m. It's night already, and voila, we just hit TP, guys. I'm happy. When I look back from how I started trading, like it really hasn't been easy, but I'm grateful to go there. Yeah, dreams are coming true. Hitting TP, less SL and more TP. Do you understand? And patient. We took this trade since around towards afternoon, and you can see what the time is saying now. So patience really matters, guys. Trading requires patience. So thank you guys for following up. I'll be sharing how we got this trade and how it was anticipated and how it was executed, and now we are hitting TP, guys. So just stay tuned. I'll be posting the video soon. God bless you. Hope you guys had a very wonderful night. So I and my friend took trade yesterday, a live trade, and I just want to break how I got into the trade, how we were able to anticipate and execute the trade, guys. So here on the daily time frame on my screen, you can see I do mark out POIs. My POIs could be a fair value gap, a support on resistance, or a resistance on support, a trend line. Yeah, I have a lot of point of interest I look forward to see price react from. So I marked out those resistance, this support and resistance on the daily time frame, and going down to the 8 hours time frame, we had a supply level at that point. Guys, let me remove this trend line. We had a support level at that point, so it's like a very good institutional point where we could see a lot of sell orders coming once again, because you can see we are on a bearish trend and we just had a break of structure to the downside, and during this break of structure we break below a support level, and you can see we have a descending trend line channel, you can see, and above here we have a supply level. So now going down to the 30 minutes time frame, where we got our buy entry yesterday, we had this bullish pullback. You can see over here we had this bullish pullback forming, we had these highs, we had a retracement, we created a new higher high. So we're expecting price to come down to this point and we take a new buy. Do you understand, guys? And what made me take this buy was because price has not entered a more premium zone on the 8 hour supply zone. Price was just reacting from an inducement over here. You can see when price got to this point, it reacted from an inducement. Now a lot of people will be thinking this point is going to bring out take a lot of sell orders, but no, I knew the smart money was going to use this point to trap a lot of sellers. You can see a lot of sellers will be entering at this point, putting their stops here. Do you understand? So the smart money would need more liquidity to fuel up their entries. So I had that in mind. And going down to the 15 minutes time frame, guys, after marking out this zone, you look for your liquidity, your internal liquidity, your inducement. Do you understand? Those are things I do look for whenever I've marked out a zone. And now you can see at this point here we had an inducement. Let me show you something on there. I think I got this order block on the 10 minutes or so. Oh my god, what's happening? Oops. Okay, here's the 5 minutes, guys. You can see here's the 5 minutes. You can see over here we have an inducement resting below a fair value gap. We have a fair value gap here, so I marked out the breaker. You can see this is a breaker block over here. I marked out the whole breaker block and that zone out, the inverse fair value gap all together as my order block. Do you understand, guys? And you can see we have a little inducement resting above that zone, so that added to my confidence that the zone was going to hold. And yet on the 15 minutes time frame, when price took out that inducement, you can see it created a bullish engulfing candle at this point here. You can see the bullish engulfing candle price created, and we broke out a descending trend line. Price broke out, retested it, and we started going up. The trade played with our patient, but we held down to our strategy and we were very disciplined to hold down the trade till take profit, guys. So now price has retraced into a pullback. Sorry guys, don't mind my English. Has pulled back into the 8 hour supply zone. Now let's go down to the 8 hour time frame to see price action. Read price action. I trade purely price action. Do you understand, guys? And I add SMC to it as a confluence to my trade. Do you understand, guys? So here you can see the rejection. So I really want to see how this candle is going to end. I need a rejection at this point. If we don't get a rejection, fine, we adapt to market, what market is doing. We might have a deeper pullback to where the daily supply area. And don't forget, guys, we are trading the internal daily structure. Now this is the daily structure. You can see this is the overall daily structure. All we are doing is just trading the internal daily structure. So if this place does not hold, okay, we should just have that in mind that the daily pullback, internal pullback has started, which is pulling back into the daily supply area that caused this change of character. Do you understand, guys? So what I should be waiting for is a break of this zone, a retracement, and furthermore pullback into the supply zone. Do you understand, guys? So that was how the trade was anticipated and executed. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys.